The DJI Ronin-S is here. I'm so excited about this. We're going to do an unboxing, show you what's inside, and answer your questions. So first off, I'm outside right now on my side porch because my two daughters are sleeping, and I wanted to go ahead and shoot this unboxing video and not wait till later tonight because I know you guys wanted to see it as soon as possible. I say you guys, you all. Maybe some girls out there too that want to know about this. So you all wanted to know about this. There were some questions we were talking about earlier this week in a separate video, so we're hoping to answer those. So without further ado, let's get going. So once you get the case out of the box, there is this little thing down at the bottom of the box. It looks like it's the instruction manual, so we're going to take a look at that first. Let's take a look at what is in here. No, this isn't the sexy part, but I always like to just double check what's in here in the box. Okay, so it's going to give you a list of everything that should be in the box. All kinds of different tools, adapters. We'll take a look at that later, maybe in a different video. Quick start guide, disclaimer, and safety guidelines. Especially if you've never used a gimbal before, probably take a look at this, make sure you know how the battery works, how to charge it, all of that fun stuff. But for now, you just want to see what's inside the case, so let's get to it. Okay, so there is an unlock little latch on the top here. So I'll try to zoom in and post, but what you want to do is lift it up and then swirl it around, and it should be unlocked now. And there it is. Ah, looks so good. Here's the good stuff. So this is your accessories pouch. So if I unzip this is going to be a lot of the cables, adapters, things like that. And I want to be careful about opening it up outdoors. Yeah, just cables. We'll come back to this later. This is the tripod grip attachment. So it has a thread here that you can screw onto the bottom of the battery grip, and it's going to give you a little bit of an extra grip. It actually feels really nice and sturdy. And of course the legs come out just like a tripod. Looks like it can lay really flat. I think that's probably the only way you want to do that. It does have some little rubber feet here, so it won't slide quite as good. This table's really slick. But if you have it on somewhere, then it does have a little bit of a grip to the bottom there, but it does have to lay all the way flat, which you probably want anyway because this thing's going to be tall. All right, tripod feet, accessories pouch. Then we have, looks like the battery grip. Here we go. Whew, thing's got some heft to it. That is nice. Feels good, feels sturdy. Like it's not like plasticky at all. It kind of feels like what would come on a power drill or something. Feels really good. And I'm sure that no light up indicator, no battery indicator at all. So it needs to be completely charged. I've heard that this has a quick charge function, which only should take about 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes. We will see soon. We have the plate that you put your camera on. We'll get into that here in a second. And then here we have the actual gimbal mechanism. Kind of want to be gentle with this. I don't want to tear it up the first day with it. And here we go. Whew. Yeah, buddy. So just this probably weighs as much or more as my previous gimbal, the Pilot Fly H2. I'm not sure about the Crane 2, but definitely has some heft to it. And then added with the battery grip, added with the tripod, which this isn't heavy at all, but added with the tripod grip is just one extra thing, plus your plate, plus your camera, plus a microphone, plus a light if you do that, plus a monitor. It's going to be a little heavier than you're used to, but I honestly don't think that's going to be a huge deal. And we'll probably make another video about that. But for now, let's keep unboxing. So it looks like it has a Velcro strap around two of the arms. So that's good. Take that off. Woohoo! Like a tourniquet. There we go. And that's what that big guy looks like. We got the follow focus attachment already on here as well. and I'm probably not going to be using that. I don't know. I don't think it works with Sony's, but we're going to see. The Sony follow focus is typically, the Sony focus system is typically really good. That I don't think I'll need this, but we'll try it out. All right, what else? There's one more thing in here. There we go. Whew, that was far more difficult than it should have been. This is the brick that you plug the USB into. Plug this into the wall, and then you plug your USB cable into the battery pack, and it charges it. So this is what all comes in your DJI Ronin-S box. This has been an unboxing, and we got your gimbal, we got your battery pack, we got your outlet adapter, we got your base plate, we got your tripod grip, extra handle there, and we also have your accessories pouch. And that's everything in the box. That's everything you'll need. Probably lots more detailed stuff in here. I'm not gonna bore it. It's just gonna be lots of cords and lots of adapters and screws and things like that. But this is exciting. I'm gonna make a couple more videos about how to assemble this, how to balance it on your camera, and then any questions you guys have. What do you want to know about the new Ronin-S? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer that. I'm taking this gimbal with me to Canada next week. I've been invited to go up there to a luxury wedding conference. Super excited about that. It's going to be a great time to invest in my business and invest in my craft. And I'm going to be using this up there to get some amazing B-roll, some amazing footage. So I can't wait to show that off to you guys and let you know, really kind of give a hands-on review of how this thing works and what you can expect from it. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.